Good afternoon, all of you. This is our project. We give a short overview about our project. Our project name is Mine Worker Location Detector. The main motto of our project is to rescue the mine workers who get stuck in the tunnel while working due to some accidents. It can be used any coalfields like western coalfields. The workers are having the helmet and all the sensors are attached on the helmet. The RF signal used to identify the tunnel of the worker. The signal sent the outer control room through Wi-Fi. For this, repeaters can be used to increase the range of the Wi-Fi. This is an overview of our hardware used in our projects. We use a Node MCU to connect the hotspot through Wi-Fi. We can use MQ2 sensors to sense the harmful gases in tunnel. Uses DHT11 sensor to detect the temperature and humidity of sensors. We can use RF transmitter and receiver to interact with lane 1 lane 2 transmitter in tunnels. This is a hardware we can use in our tunnels. This is a transmitter and this is a receiver. We use RF encoder IC. This is our hardware we can place in our tunnels. This is a transmitter and this is a receiver. This is a RF encoder IC HT12E and this is a RF decoder IC H212D. Working of our project, we can use a laptop to give a power supply to a Node MCU. We connect a power supply cable to a laptop and this Node MCU gets started. In Arduino software, we can get a unique IP address (192.168.43.200), which we can put in our Chrome. (192.168.43.200) and see, this is connected with our helmet. See, the temperature shows 33 degree in room temperature. Humidity is 90 degree. As we know, in tunnels there is a very darkest condition, so we can use a LED to light up the environment. We can use LDR. LDR is a resistor. If miners come back into outside the tunnel, so LED turn off automatically, and if miners go inside the tunnel, LED will glow automatically. If worker go inside the tunnel 1, this is a hardware we can put into a tunnel 1, and this is a hardware we can put in our tunnel 2. If assume miners go inside the tunnel 1, it can detect the miners. It can detect the miners go into the tunnel 1, and it show on control room's system computer on system. It means miners go into the tunnel 1 lane 1, and if miners go into the tunnel 2, it hardware can detect the miner going to the tunnel 2, and it sent to the signal to the control station, and on control station computer shows miners going to the lane 2. This is hardware implement on our helmet. This sensors is a gas sensor and this is a humidity and temperature sensor, which will continuously detects the gases and humidity and temperature inside the tunnel and send data to the control station. We can use a perfume. We know in perfume there is a lots of gas, so we can use a perfume to demonstrate the gas sensor. If sensors detect the harmful gases in the tunnel, it sends a signal to the control system. Gas is detected, so the in control system the guard. If harmful gases are detected in tunnel, so control room man immediately send rescue team in the tunnel to save the miners in the tunnel. This is a DHT11 sensor we can use for detect the temperature and humidity. So control room man show the live temperature in a tunnel which can continuously changes as per condition. Temperature changes in the tunnel and humidity. If miners are in any dangerous condition, he put the button. This is an emergency button we can provide here. So it sends a message to a control room that emergency help required. So immediately control room sends a rescue team in the tunnel to save the miners.